So, you want to hear a story, huh? Yeah, old Marcus still has a few tales to tell. And this is the start of something new. A spark that just might leave the galaxies themselves ablaze. It all started here. The planet Kairos. Heard of it? Of course not, and for good reason. For thousands of years, it was a place of legend, hidden from the outside universe. The only way you found it was by accident or chance. And if you did, well, you weren't ever going to leave. For Kairos was a prison, ruled by a tyrant made immortal by alien technology. They called him the Timekeeper, and his order was nothing less than absolute. What was the secret, you ask, that justified keeping an entire planet in chains? A vault at the center of his seat of power. Whispers told of unknowable treasures locked away inside. Perhaps even the source of his immortality. But where there are vaults, you will always find vault hunters. Fearsome warriors, driven by dreams of glory, wealth, knowledge, and power. The Timekeeper's order was perfect. It was supposed to last forever. But Vault Hunters, they have a way of screwing up your plans. This new story? Well, it begins 6 years after Mayhem first came to Kairos. 6 years after the sky turned to fire.
That one.
Hey, calmate. Where are we going, Thunder?
The Timekeeper thinks you could be of use. Me? Well, I'd rather kill you.
That is not a unique character trait, amigo. There is a 3-month waiting list. Or let me go, and I'll let you skip the line.
Tempting. But I do only as he commands.
Come on, I need some motivation for when I kill you. They'll never know.
That's where you're wrong. He's always watching. Time to bolt.
We could have made something special!
What use is a Vault Hunter? You are, in a word, mayhem. I take that personally.
Who would you be?
My name is my use. The ones who gave it to me called me Timekeeper. Now you may have had free will out there in the myriad galaxies, but here, on Kairos, you exist in my universe. You will obey my will, and you'll serve the use I have for you.
Good luck with that.
Luck? We don't have that here either. Humans need a stronger hand than luck to keep them deterministic. Like any domesticated animal, they must be tagged, tracked, and when necessary, shoved back into place. This bolt is that guiding hand. My hand. On your neck forever. There. The bolt is part of you now. You are no longer a Vault Hunter. I have a new use for you. And once that use is done, I can offer you a life in my order. Comfortable. Peaceful.
I'm...
Then you should have gone out guns blazing when you had the chance.
Really hope I just blew up the right room. Echo, see anyone alive in there?
Right here.
Hell yeah. Echo, boot up their HUD so they can check for injuries. I'm RJ. I'm a Vault Hunter with the Crimson Resistance. Come on, let's get out of here.
Hey, you want to escape or what? Move it!
Whole place is going into lockdown. Come on! So is my intel right? Are you a Vault Hunter too?
See, I and Rafa. Hey, not complaining, but why are you helping me?
The Crimson Resistance is gonna free this whole planet. I figured we could use all the Vault Hunters we can get. Guards are onto us. Take them out! Banged up? Grab this rep kit. Should take the edge off. Come on. We gotta get to the next floor. The security room up there's our way out.
What were those things?
Synths. The Timekeeper's robot army. Good riddance.
You sure this is a prison? Getting more luxury hotel lobby vibes.
They're called the Order for a reason. They like things neat and under control. People, too. Everyone who lands on Kairos ends up here. But the only welcome people get is the Timekeeper's domination.
Stop or be destroyed.
There's the security room. Check it out! Confiscated weapons chest. See if there's anything fun in there. Damn it! Lockdown's got us hemmed in. Echo 4, get hacking. Got an idea that'll buy us some time. We're gonna crack this prison wide open. Vault Hunter, wanna do the honors? Prison break, baby! Nice one! Doors open, let's go!
I will remind any and all rampant prisoners that he is watching. There is no escape. No one leaves.
The prisoners won't get far, but they'll distract the Order while we escape. Hell of a sight, huh? 6 years ago, that moon appeared from nowhere. The sky cracked open, shards fell like rain. Thought the world was ending.
Guess it kind of did. The Timekeeper's been in full tyrant mode ever since.
What did you mean when you said the prisoners won't get far?
They're bolted, just like us. Won't be long before the Timekeeper
Walks them right back into their cells. We just need the Timekeeper looking their way and not yours until we can
jam your bolt. We're almost out! Just fight through! This is it. We can exfil here. You're gonna need this. Good. Now, follow my lead, all right? We gotta slide down. Come on. Woo! Oh!
Damn. Looks like we got separated. You good?
Rafa is always good. So, escape successful? Are we clear?
Not exactly. The Order's gonna have search parties combing through these woods. I stashed us a ride out, though. Let's meet up ahead. Might be a tight squeeze through there. You'll have to crouch.
RJ, the Timekeeper can take me over with his bolt. Shouldn't I just pull it out? I don't like being watched.
Whoa, no. That thing is in there, hitched to your nervous system. When people try to rip their bolt out, it turns them crazy. Or just straight up kills them.
So why bother running? It's just a matter of time.
Not with Echo 4 on our side. He's jamming my bolt. And if we can get you somewhere safe while the Timekeeper's distracted, we'll jam yours too.
Timekeeper has gifted you the serenity of a boat.
Good. You're still in one piece. Not that I expected anything less from a Vault Hunter. They're looking for us. Keep a low profile. Come on. We gotta reach our getaway ride. So, have you ever opened a vault?
Me? No, this is a sort of a new gig. Did you come here for the vault too?
No. I was born on Mars. But I heard all about Vault Hunters from off-worlders who crashed. When the Moonfall chaos started, I took my chance and struck out on my own. Training up ever since. I'll introduce you to the leader of the Crimson Resistance when we get off this island. I only joined recently, but it's exactly
What this planet needs. A whole rebellion. Fighting together for freedom from the Timekeeper.
Oh, and I can't
Wait to rub it in his shiny face when we crack that vault of his.
There is no escape.
There. We'll go through that order plate. Search party! Clear him out!
Our ride's just through here.
Damn. This door wasn't locked when I came through. Give me a sec.
Serenity of a boat. And this is how you show thanks.
The lock is giving me some trouble. But I've got my best bot on it. This could take a bit. Hey, I left a stash up on the ridge when I was doing my
How about you clean it out while I get this door open?
Return now, Vault Hunter, or this island will become your grave. It still will, but sooner than planned. There is no escape.
Oh, you had the cozy little camp going up here, RJ?
I've been waiting a long time for the right Vault Hunter to arrive. Go ahead, raid the place.
Shielded up, RJ.
Awesome. Almost got the door. Come on down.
No one leaves.
There we go. Let's get to our ride. Maybe we can even pick up some of the other prisoners.
The Timekeeper has gifted you the serenity of a...
Whoa, no. He...
He made me.
There was a time I would have used a gentler touch with these wayward creatures. But now they serve a greater purpose. Now you see the true bars of your cage. You cannot break free.
What the hell?
He killed them. He just... We have to get out of here. Now! I thought he'd march them back to their cells. I never imagined he'd... butcher them all. We need to get your bolt jammed as soon as possible. I hijacked an order gunship for us. It's just down this way. We are getting out of here!
No one leaves.
Hey, can I get a hand up?
All part of my master plan. Ow! This is where I betray you. Seriously, can you imagine? Thanks. We gotta get out of here before the timekeeper. Yeah!
Too late.
What are you? Oh, crap.
I'm always watching. I wanted to see how useful my new Vault Hunter could be. In action. Besides, it's more fun getting your hands dirty when they aren't your hands.
Echo! Transfer ownership!
Ay, maldición.
RJ, you okay? RJ?
What use is a Vault Hunter? None at all.
No!
Vault Hunter. Vault Hunter.
Scoop it up, pop it down, a big trash. Woo-hoo. Scoop it up, pop, pop, beach trash. Ooh, there's some over there. Beach trash. Getting rich off of beach trash. Ooh, oh, oh. Could it be my savior? My chosen hero sent from the starry beyond? I said, are you my chosen hero sent from the starry beyond? It's a simple question! Yeah! Yes! Hello, Beach Trash! I am a CL4PTP steward bot, but you can call me Claptrap, last vestige of the Crimson Resistance. So, what's your whole deal?
I'm Rafa. And my whole deal is that your friend RJ just helped me break out of prison. He told me to find you.
RJ! My #1 recruit! Most promising vault hunter I know. We'd be lost without him. Actually, where is he?
He didn't make it.
Huh. Bummer. Say, have I mentioned how promising you look? Welcome to the Crimson Resistance, new RJ. Oh gosh, there's so much to do. Let me give you the tour. We've got everything we'll need to free this planet. A couple shacks, a banner, complimentary hot dogs. Ta-da! What do you think? I set up our recruitment center on this beach because it's so nice, and not because I was stuck or scared. Not a ton of applicants lately, but I knew it was just a matter of time. So much time. Take some hot dogs!
These are, batteries.
They're complimentary. You're supposed to compliment them. Rude. Whatever. Look, I got it hard out here. All my top dogs got eaten by those psychopathic rippers higher up on the beach.
Cálmate, okay? I can take care of your Ripper problem.
Really? Really good job showing initiative, rookie. Come on, there, this way. We're headed to that old order broadcast tower. I was gonna use it to send out a planet-wide recruitment message, but I couldn't get up the elevator without getting... Taken apart by rippers! Hey, look up there! Flying rippers!
The stars might!
Ha! Splat again! Keep trying, dweebs! Clear out these rippers, rookie! Come and get us, pangolin suckers! This one robot army put a +1 to 4 to this hootenanny!
Power instead.
You're trying to trip me up!
Nice work, rookie! As always, murder is the best solution to any problem! This way to the elevator!
What were those guys doing?
They're stuck down here, too. They've been trying to use glide packs to reach the top of the tower to escape. But mostly they just been splatting against the wall. Hey! You're splat resistant, right? Maybe Maybe you could steal a glide pack and fly across to get the elevator running. They got them at a Ripper camp nearby. That new echo device you got can show you where to go. Good thing he's useful, because he is definitely not cute or marketable. I'm gonna stick over here by the tower. Ooh, all these guys got a ton of trash on them.
It does. Best watch where you're looking.
You're looking for a big guy named Splash Zone. But kill everyone else too. These guys are called Rippers because they rip the bolts right out of their necks. Ooh, they also like to rip people's limbs off. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that's unrelated to the name.
Don't let him run from me, See how you like it! Just like in the
Too tough! They will get too tough to get shook! Who's been run down?
He dropped the key! Grab it, rookie! Nice! His chest should be right nearby.
Got me a gun hand, guns down!
Hey, you got the glide pack? Sick! There's a ridge nearby. Test it out! Beautiful! Now you can glide in the air like a majestic dove, or a receipt you have to chase around in the parking lot. Head to that platform we saw those guys splat off of earlier. I'll guide you from there.
I dare say that one's dusty.
There you are, rookie! I was beginning to think I hallucinated you.
Claptrap, your CPU is simply not capable of coming up with.
You're right. That jawline alone. Yowza! Now that you have the glide pack, you can get across to the tower and send the elevator down for me on the double.
Wait!
It's locked down. Looks like I need clearance.
Jeez, do I need to do everything for you? Search around for a solution. Recruits these days.
Maybe these dead Order guys have something on them. There's way too much spinal column on this thing.
It's working! It's working! I ascend! Rookie, I could kiss you, but only if you were into it, and if I were in any way attracted to humans, and if I had a mouth. I have no mouth and I must kiss! Now, Rookie, we have a sacrosanct mission as Crimson Resistance. We must broadcast a message of hope to the people of Kairos! This place will make a great safe house, too. It's got a fast travel and everything. And open! Oh, ow. Rookie, this door attacked me! Rough it up! Okay, first thing, find the data pad with the security codes to claim this site as Safe House of the Crimson Resistance! Good hunting, recruit! Now, use Echo 4 on that console to seize this tower for our great cause! Getting me off this damn planet! You've done us proud today. But now, it's time for the real work of any successful rebellion. Marketing! We gotta get recruitment numbers up. We are all this planet's got. Now that, what's his name, died saving you.
RJ.
Yeah, RJ, that's what I said, clearly. I just wanted to make sure you remembered. The point is, we gotta win hearts and minds if we want people to throw their bodies into the wood chipper of rebellion! The whole planet needs to hear my uplifting voice. I'll interface directly with this tower's transmitter and broadcast a message of inspiration. By pressing that button, you are going to shoot more electricity through me than a crypto server uses in a decade. Now, do it! Do it! For freedom! Hear me, Kairos! We are the Crimson Resistance! Liberators of Pandora! Saviors of the Six Galaxies! Destroyers of... Destroyer! Join us and fight back against the Order! Who is keeping specifically me stuck on this stupid planet! Trap out! Mission accomplished!
Hey! You okay?
Okay! That was pure voltage! Drinking straight from the hose, baby! Plug me back in! I can go all day!
Hello? Crimson Resistance, do you copy? This is Rush with the Outbounders. We heard your message, and it couldn't have come at a better time. We are under assault from Order forces and need any kind of backup you can give. Come to our headquarters in the Fade Fields.
Ooh, our first takers! Sounds like a vicious battle for freedom you've got ahead of you, rookie!
Me? Oh, I thought you were a one-robot army.
Yeah! And the Order has way more robots! No way I'm getting in the middle of all that! Field promotion! I dub the Acting Vice Admiral of the Crimson Resistance! In the blind! Good luck! Now go save those Outbounder guys! They seem like they're in a real dill pickle!